on style but low on your pocket, if that's the motto for selecting the perfect gift for your sister this Rakshabandhan, don't you worry guys, because today your Adi has come with 7 amazing gift ideas for your friend and favorite enemy, your sister. Instead of the chocolate advertisement make you soppy, grab this opportunity to give this amazing female the gift that reflects her personality. So without wasting much of our time, let's move on to the top 7 gift ideas for this festive season. My first pick is skincare. Now if your sister keeps on cribbing over the condition of her skin, then solve her troubles with this thoughtful gift so that she can take proper care of her skin and get the glow she always wished for. I have categorized this gift idea for you in 4 to 5 categories so that you get to choose according to your budget. This 5-in-1 facial massager is a dream kit for our skin enthusiast sisters. And the best part about this product is that it comes with a facial kit which has cleanser, scrub, gel, cream, pack and serum. Now if you are planning to increase your budget, then you can also add few skincare products along with this facial massager. Here are my few suggestions from low to high range about skincare products. So what are you waiting for? Go and give this dream kit to your sister. I have provided the link below in the description box. My second gift idea is makeup products. Now believe me or not, this is one thing in the entire world that can instantly brighten up her mood. So here are my few top picks from lower to high range. Now if you are planning to increase your budget, you can make a combination of all these products and put it in a makeup bag and make a mini makeup kit sort of thing. Wrap it and make her the happiest. My third pick for all the beautiful sisters out there are beautiful dresses. Stylish kurtis, office wear, gowns, whatever she loves, gift her that. I have provided below in the description box the link to few of the dresses I loved. Don't forget to check it out once. My fourth idea for our amazing sisters are wedges and heels. Now if she's a nerd or a party freak, this is one thing she can never say no to. This beautiful, classy and elegant heels goes with literally any sort of dresses. And trust me guys, she's gonna love you for this. Now if your sister is an avid reader or someone who loves binge watching web series, the best gift for her would be buying a subscription to audiobooks, Netflix, Amazon, or you can either buy her a physical copy of books. Few of my suggestions are: my sixth gift idea would be accessories like watch, because hey, what's better than a watch to reminisce all the good and bad times you have spent with her. We have some amazing watch collections on Myntra, and the best part is that you can easily sort it out according to your budget. My seventh and the last gift idea would be gifting her a gift voucher. Now, if you are someone who is staying away from your sister or you don't know what she exactly likes, gifting her a gift voucher would be the best idea according to your budget. So these are my top 7 gift ideas for our amazing sisters on this Rakshabandhan. I hope this video helped you guys. If this video helped you, don't forget to share it with all our brothers so that they can choose the best gift for their sister on this Bandhan. The link to all the products that I have mentioned in my video is provided below in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time we meet, stay safe and wish you a very happy Rakshabandhan.